Hello everyone. Today we'll be talking about the four indicators on my chart. We have the VWAP, my purple line. We have the exponential moving average, which will be my green line. Then we'll talk about the simple moving average, 50-day, which is my blue line. And then we'll be talking about my 200 simple moving average, which is the red line. All right, let's get straight into it. We're going to start off with the VWAP. So the VWAP is volume weighted average price. The VWAP represents a view of price action throughout a single day's trading session. The volume weighted average price appears as a single line on intraday charts. So this line is very helpful for day trading. It helps indicate whether it's on an uptrend or downtrend. I'll show more examples shortly. All right, so we're moving on. So we're going to talk about my exponential moving average, which is my green line. So the EMA is a moving average that places a greater weight and significance on the most recent data points. Like all moving averages, the technical indicator is used to produce buy and sell signals based on crossovers and divergences from historical averages. So that's another good one I use. So the green line, it's also an indicator to help whether a stock is on an uptrend or downtrend. Okay, so after that, we're going to go ahead and talk about the 50-day simple moving average, which is my blue line on the chart. The 50-day simple moving average is a trend line that shows the average of 50 days of closing prices for a stock plotted over time. The 50-day average is considered the first line of support in an uptrend or the first line of resistance in a downtrend. If a stock's price moving significantly below the 50-day moving average, it's commonly interpreted as a trend change to the downside. All right, so this is my 50-day moving average. Once again, it helps me indicate what direction the stock's trend is. All right, and then last but not least, I have my 200-day moving average, which is the 200-day SMA, which covers roughly 4 weeks of trading, is commonly used in stock trading to determine the general market trend. As long as a stock price remains above the 200-day moving average on the daily frame, the stock generally considered to be an overall uptrend. All right, so right here behind us, we have TQQ, which is the NASDAQ mini, so it's the identical. All right, so we can see that all the indicators are pointing out to the downside. Like this is the 15-minute chart, and it has broken through all the supports. So it has a clear direction on the downside. All right, so this is from Monday, 15th of April. This is the chart on Monday. All right, so the next day, it seemed to be channeling. So it just seemed to be like going in a sideways direction, not a lot of action. Compared to this day where it was like super clear. We have the MACD as well helping us indicate the direction. And then if we look closely, you can see the 200-day moving average is so far gone. Like it's like from, start of Monday morning around 9 a.m. to, Tuesday morning, 9 a.m. So clearly TQQ and NASDAQ in general is on a downtrend. Now we have yesterday's date. Once again, we have the VWAP, which is like a single day. And then we have the EMA, which is another, let's see. We have the EMA as well. Well, this one, these three have a bigger volume and like a bigger average. So with that being said, the VWAP is the one that follows more closely to the price throughout the day on a single day. So you can make some moves just by following the VWAP if it's like a quick day trade in and out. But if you want a long trend and a long trade, you would follow the indicators that have more data inside of these. So, these three have more data compared to the VWAP, which is cool, but I day trade as well, so the VWAP is very helpful for me. So this is TQ, all right? So what we're seeing is a complete downtrend. Now we're going to switch over to SQQQ, which is the inverse. So now we'll go ahead. This is Monday as well, 15th. So we can see that it's on a bullish trend. It's positive. This whole day on Monday, very good action. The following day, Tuesday, once again, it's channeling, going sideways. And you could tell that this one's on an uptrend because look how far low, or look how far above the stock is trading above the 200 EMA. And, you know, referring back to the definition of the 200, it says, what's it called? As long as the stock price remains above the 200 daily time frame, the stock is generally considered to be on an overall uptrend. So from what we can see, SQQQ is on an uptrend. So that is it for today. We talked about the 4 indicators and how they're useful. We talked about the VWAP, we talked about the EMA, and the simple moving average 50-day, and the 200 moving day. I also have a playlist on YouTube that you could find the rest of my videos and along with other useful content. So let's see. So it's a Moonstar stock. So hold on, let me look for it real quick. So let's see, playlists right here. All right. So I have these few videos here, but this is the one I really want to talk about: how to set up the Webull desktop app. So I follow Ricky; he's really good at explaining a lot of things. But this one particularly is how to set up your Webull desktop app, and I'll link it. And this is how your chart can look just like mine. So that's very useful. So you can set up your whole account and get the ball rolling. So thank you very much.